Hey guys, welcome back. And yeah, this is the fourth video back to back on the same day. And yeah, almost a week you have waited, and I have finished all the Python introduction in one shot because it will be useful for you if you have gone through all the videos without any gap. So that is the reason I have done like that. That's well. Okay, so the next step is how to get the data from Upstox. As I have already told, you need to subscribe for the data API, and it costs around 1500 per month, which is much cheaper than any other data vendor you are getting, because I have tried many other vendors. As far as I know, Zerodha, it cost around 2000, and if you see there is true data or global data feed and everything is there, they will be giving it into you the data in a JSON format or something, but for true data you have to install the software, and this is cumbersome work which is not needed. And you can't do the trading with their data, either you have to combine with something else, so better you can go with Upstox data. As far as I used for last 6 months, at least yeah, 4 to 6 months, we used to face some glitches here and there. Obviously any technical technologies, that there will be some problem will be there, but in Upstox we have faced more, but it is getting better now. And comparatively I felt the platform or anything Upstox is better, so that's the reason I have chosen. It's up to you to choose whatever you want, but the remaining videos is going to be based on the Upstox API document only, or Upstox API. It may not work for other APIs. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. And before starting, if you wish, you can open the account with my reference. The reference code will be, I will post this link in the description. You can click on the link, okay, or otherwise you can just type this URL, okay, and open this. Okay, you will get into like this. Okay, and one more thing, the advantage of Upstox is they are providing one thing called a priority pack. Okay, so basically in the basic package, which is, that is 20x leverage, which is same as Zerodha, like you will get a 20x or 0.01%, and 20 rupees is the trade. Okay, and they are providing priority pack where the charge is 30%, 30 rupees per trade, or it is the lower as 0.05%. Okay, and here it is 25x leverage. It is 5 times, it is higher leverage. But if you're trading in very less quantity, don't go for this, go for this basic package. Okay, so once you open this page, click on open demat account. Okay, and here you can type your email ID. Okay, I'm just typing something. Okay, give some password, this is for sign up, and give your mobile number. Okay, and then give sign up. Before signing up, you can specify, have you been referred by someone you know, click on yes, and then give introduce your client code as 149781. Okay, and then click on sign up. Okay, so the remaining everything is same. The process will be same. Okay, so you just have to follow the steps, and you have to provide the PAN number, Aadhaar number, and everything. So everything is online. I think they will be charging some 600 rupees as the account opening charge. Once you provide all the documents online, your account will be opened within 1 or 2 days. Okay, so that's pretty much with respect to this Upstox account. And once the account is opened, then just go to developer.upstox.com. okay, so this is your login ID. You have to use your login, and this is your account ID. This is my ID. Okay, and then click on login, and you will see something like this. Here you have to see this trading API will be there. Mine is already done, so the trial is over. So you should see for the interactive API, you will see something like start free trial. Okay, and if you click start free trial, it will open for 14 days. Okay, so in that, basically you will have this thing you have to give app name. You can give any name whatever you want, and the redirect URI, since now we are going to use it with terminal only. So for that you can just give the upstox.com 3000. If it is already given, you can just use it as default. Okay, postback URI also you can give the same thing, nothing is going to change, and description also you can give it as testing or whatever you want. Okay, and the subscribe services is going to be two things, one is interactive API and then is historical API. Interactive API is nothing but it give access to your orders, positions, holdings, limits, and the tick by tick data, and you will be able to place the order and get the position data, get the balance amount, what is available amount, and everything. It will be based on this. And then this is historical API data. It is like to get the OHLC data for 1 minute candle or 15 minutes candle, 3 minutes candle, 5 minutes candle, 1 hour, and for month, week, and there is no 15 minutes candle. It is 5 minutes candle only, but from that we will be able to generate the 15 minutes candle. It's not a big deal. Okay, so it will come as a trial version for here, so 14 days will be there. Okay, so once this is done, then will be the next step. So maybe please get this ready by Saturday or Sunday this week. I will post the next video by Saturday. Okay, and here if you go, you can see the API key and all. You'll be able to see the API key here. So this is what you need to use actually. Okay, yeah, well, that's pretty much with respect to the account opening. So it's up to you to choose which account you want to open, and if you wish, you can open the account at my name. Okay, thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed all the videos which I have posted today. Share your comments. If you want any doubts, you can update there, and please do put your own efforts and try to do much hands-on, because whatever I have shown is just a drop out of the ocean. So in Python, like certain things you will be able to do in multiple ways. What I have shown is like whatever I know, which is very small thing, but someone else might know it is better, and they can do it in a much simpler way also. Okay, it's up to you. The way you learn more, you will get it things faster. Okay, all the very best. Let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do share the videos, subscribe, and do support. Thank you.